Hi and welcome back. I'm Zen and this is part 4 of the mini Emmet series. So let's get into it. So in the previous video we looked at being able to create parent-child relationships and having multiple children. So UL greater than LI times 6, and we had it with like a class like I don't know B2. And that's what we had. And so the next part was, well, can we replicate this but have different classes or different classes for each LI? Now the way you can do that and do it quickly is if the class names only vary using a number. Okay, so perhaps we'll go B1, B2, B3 and so on and so forth, and that is very easy to do in Emmet. What we use is the $sign. I'll show you. So we do UL greater than LI, just like we've done before, and then we're going to add our class B, and instead of putting in a number, we use the $sign as the substitute, and then we can do the asterisk and 6 like we've done before, and we get the perfect set. Okay, now there are a few variations of this. The first variation is, well, what if I want to have a minimum of 3 digits? You can do that. Okay, all you do is that you add more $signs. So again, we'll go UL greater than LI dot B, and then we'll just do, say you want 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times that by, we're going to give it 12. Okay, what you see is, there you go, 3 zeros and a 1 ending up with 2 zeros and the 12. So that works really easy. It's just using as many $signs as you want the number of digits to appear. The next question is, well, can I do this in reverse? And the answer is, well, you can, but at the same time you can't. And what I mean by that is that you should be able to do it, but there is a current bug in the Emmet system, at least in Visual Studio Code. I'm assuming it's going to be fixed soon. I'll show you the syntax for it, but it doesn't work. Okay, so we do UL greater than LI, and then we do dot B dollar, just like we would do normally, but then we use the at symbol and the hyphen or the minus, and then as usual we'll use like the times, I don't know, 6. Okay, and that's what we get. It's not very helpful, and like I say, this is just a bug in the Emmet code. I'm sure someone who's a far better coder than I am will be able to fix it for us fairly soon, but that is the syntax you would use. What's also useful though is that you can see that you can actually embed the number in between other text, even if it's an auto number. So that's quite handy to know. Okay. Another little bit on this is, can you start at a different number? And the answer is yes, you can. And the way it works is very similar to the broken reverse number system. So we do UL greater than LI, and then we do dot B, the $sign, but this time we do the at symbol again, and let's just say you want to start at the number 6, and then times 6, because we want 6 of them. We should get the numbers, is it 6 to 11? There we go. Alright, so let me just show you that syntax again. It's the same as we've done before, so we're using whatever bit of code you want in first, your start of your class name, then the $sign to represent the number, and then we use the at symbol, or petit escargot as they call it in French, and I can't remember what the actual name in Germany is, but in German they say funky monkey, which I think they actually get the prize for the best name for it. So you use the at and then the number you want it to start at, and then again the number of elements that you want, and there we have it. And so that is being able to use your auto number system. The last bit we're going to do in the next video is looking at how to use text and attributes in the Emmet. Okay, again, hopefully it's been useful. I'm trying to keep these ones short for you. As always, like, dislike, subscribe, leave comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Zen signing out.